What's up guys, Carolynn Castillo, team leader with Absolute Top Dollar and the best brokerage in the world, eXp Realty. Today's property, we're located in Jacksonville, Florida in a neighborhood called Normandy, and you're gonna love this house. Let's go take a look. Welcome guys, I'm so excited to show you my new listing in Jacksonville, Florida. This house has so many perks. Whoever buys this house is gonna be blessed. First, let me start off by telling you, this house has become a smart home. You guys know everybody needs a Ring camera nowadays. This was actually upgraded, so it's a video camera. It's not activated, so whoever buys this house, this is gonna be all yours. Set it up so you always know what's going on. And this owner did amazing things like updated all the fixtures, fresh paint inside and out, so come inside. So as soon as you walk in, you see this most amazing big view that we have here. Open concept, open kitchen, beautiful living area, dining room, and the most important part is that we're on the lake, okay? So you guys know you can update a house, but you can't change the location, okay? Some important things about this house is it has brand new flooring throughout the entire house, okay? Fresh paint, so this is your masterpiece here. Beautiful white walls, beautiful brand new flooring. Yeah. Now I do like this that it is still a formal dining area. Nowadays with the open concept, there's no division of walls, but this is a true defined formal dining area. Gorgeous chandelier here, by the way. 6 lights, absolutely beautiful. Lots of natural light with the window. And it leads right into the kitchen. So I love a kitchen that also has a breakfast area. So this is perfect where you have breakfast with your coffee and everything like that. And you've got this amazing kitchen. Guys, these are brand new stainless steel appliances, never been used. Can you see the sticky still on this? This is actually completely brand new, never been used. Microwave, stove, refrigerator. This is gorgeous, look at this. Never been used, guys. There's nothing like buying a used house with everything brand new. And this is a split bedroom floor plan. So you have 2 rooms on this side and you have the master on this. So this has actually been an updated bathroom. You are going to have the beautiful vanity with the marble countertops, new faucet for the sink. The bedrooms have been fully renovated, meaning you have brand new floors in here. You have brand new ceiling fan with your own remote control. Every updated fan in this house has their own remote control. How awesome is that? Very clean, simple, nice bedroom. And then this bedroom is exactly the same. So you have here your remote control. Okay, beautiful fan, lake view. Same thing, gorgeous closet, super clean, nice floor, nice white. They did also update all the doorknobs in this house. So if you'll notice, everything's a nice clean white with the touch of brown. So let's go see the master. And then I'm taking you out to see the patio, okay? So come on into the master. So as you can see, it's got the cathedral ceiling, so it is vaulted. There is an updated ceiling fan here with, yes, of course, the master has to have its own remote control. You have a beautiful light coming in from this huge window, and of course, you have an ensuite bathroom. Now, this has been updated with a brand new vanity, his and hers, okay? Beautiful lighting, beautiful mirror. Actually a bathtub, guys. Most houses don't have bathtubs. This is still a beautiful bathtub, and you also have a walk-in shower that is in amazing condition, okay? This house literally has it all. Only thing you have to do to this house is move in and bring your toothbrush, okay? Now, I'm gonna take you outside and show you the best part, which is the lake. Now, something very, very important I haven't mentioned yet is that this house just had a 2022 brand new roof installed on the house. So that's right, you're gonna have brand new roof, brand new air conditioning, brand new appliances, brand new floor, brand new vanities. Literally, guys, you just move in, okay? So let's go see the best part of the house. Look at this. Is this incredible? This was my favorite part. When I came to see this house, I said, oh my gosh, I'm just gonna be sitting out here, enjoying the summer, enjoying the winters. You've got this beautiful screens in here. So this house has all the upgrades and everything that you would want in a property. So thank you so much for watching our tour. If you love this house and you wanna make it yours, all the information's below. Call us, set up an appointment, and we can't wait to see you. Thank you and have a blessed day.